Welcome students. So in our today's class we are going to read a poem by Ray Martha. What is the name of the poem? Litterbug. What is the meaning of the word litterbug? First let us know that the meaning of the litterbug is someone who drops litter in public places. So what is the meaning of the word litter? Litter means garbage or the dirty things that we often drop here and there. So a litterbug is a person who usually drops litter in public places. Okay, without dropping it in a dustbin, who drops things in public places like parks or playground or schoolyard, anywhere. So let us first read the poem, then I will explain. First let us read this. We take care to keep our homes clean. So all of us keep our homes clean. But what about our roads, gardens, parks and railway stations? So the writer is here asking that we take care of our homes, we take care of our houses to keep it clean. But what about our roads, garden, parks and railway station? Is it not our duty to keep these places clean too? There are many who think it is their right to throw litter on the street. So there are many of you who thinks that it is their right to eat a chocolate and throw the wrapper into the road, but that is wrong. Read this poem about one such person. So let us begin with the poem. I am a litter bug and I don't care. I throw my litter everywhere. Crisps packets, sweet wrappers, lollipop sticks, index on the yard, the usual tricks. Okay? First let us read the entire poem in a go, then I will explain by stanza. Okay. I am a litter bug and I don't care. I throw my litter everywhere. Crisps packets, sweet wrappers, lollipop sticks, index on the yard, the usual tricks. I'm not bothered where my rubbish goes. Let it be carried where the wind blows. Playing field, garden, it's no sin. Couldn't care less about the litter bin. I trash the playground, dirty the parks, stuff can in the hedges, them short of larks. The street is my empire, it swims in debris, it looks ugly to you, but it's lovely to me. Where did I come from? What is my game? Me, the person you all like to blame. What do I look like? Well, I will have to be true. I am not a monster. I am you and you. So, let us explain. I am a litter bug and I don't care. So, the spokesperson here saying that he or she is a litter bug. Litter bug is a person who throws away the garbage in public places. And I don't care. He is saying that I don't care about what do you think about me or the cleanliness. I throw my litter everywhere. Crisps packets, sweet wrappers, lollipop sticks, index on the yard, the usual tricks. So the person is here saying that I throw my crisps packets, crisps packets, sweet wrappers, lollipop sticks, in the decks, on the yard, the usual tricks. The meaning of tricks is that something that someone does for mere fun. Okay, so for fun I throw away my crisps packets, sweet wrappers of the sweets and lollipop sticks. After eating them, I just throw away on the decks, on the yard, wherever I find a place. Okay. So children, the person is here saying now that I am not bothered where my rubbish goes. What is the meaning of the word bothered? Worried. So the person is not, the litter bug here is not bothered about where his litter or rubbish goes. Let it be carried where the wind blows. So let it be carried with the wind, and I don't care about it at all. Playing field, garden, it's no sin. What is the meaning of the word sin? Sin is something that is very bad a person can do. Okay. Couldn't care less about the litter bin. So the person, whether she or he, is saying that I couldn't care less about the litter bin, that I don't care, I literally don't care about the litter bin or dustbin. So now let us move to our third para. Here the litter bug is saying, I trust the playground and dirty the parks. Stuff cans in hedges, them short of blocks. So the litter bug is saying, she or he, whoever it may be, I trash the playground. What is the meaning of the word trash? Trash, here it is given to make dirty. So he is saying that I make the playgrounds dirty and parks also. Stuff can in hedges, them short of blocks. Stuff can means the Coke can or the canned food. After drinking from them, I just throw it away in the hedges. What is the meaning of the word hedges? Hedges refers to those small bushes that grows together to form a beautiful fence. Okay. Them short of luck. What is the meaning of this phrase? The short of luck. For a lark means when we do something for a lark, we do it just for fun, though it could be something naughty or dangerous. So litter bug does all these things only out of lark, just for fun, but that could be dangerous. The street is my empire. It swims in debris. It looks ugly to you, but it is lovely to me. So the litter bug is saying here that the street is my empire. I am the king of the street. Empire means a very large kingdom. The street is my kingdom. It swims into debris. Debris means litter or rubbish. It looks ugly to you, but it looks lovely to me. For you it is lovely or ugly, but for me it is lovely. Where did I come from? Now the litter bug is asking us, where did I come from? What is my game? What is my game means what is my plan? Why do I do all sorts of things, naughty things? Why do I keep littering the streets, parks? Me, the person you all like to blame. So the litter bug is saying here that you all are blaming me because I am throwing litter here and there. What do I look like? So the person is asking that what do I look like? Well, I will have to be true. So now the litter bug is saying that I will have to be true. I am not a monster. I am not any monster. Okay, I am a human being. I am you and you. So the litter bug is a poem that symbolizes every one of us, that refers to every one of us. So at a point of time, all of you litter your streets. After eating a chocolate, you throw away the wrapper in the street, from the window of your car or bus, whenever. So the litter bug is saying that you may blame me after reading this poem, but in reality every one of you is a litter bug, and that should be changed. You must not litter your public property. You must not litter your school, your playground, your parks. Okay, you must throw away all your dirts, all your litter in a particular place in dustbin. Okay, so the poem teaches us a lesson about how it is important to throw our litter in a particular dustbin or a particular place meant for it, and how it is important to be clean and the importance of cleanliness, because cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay children, so here with this we finish this chapter of ours, and I will be providing all the exercises in your study notes that will be provided via your Google Classroom. Okay, so that's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.